Welcome to Faro, day 83. Our bus ride from Seville, Spain to Faro, Portugal was awesome. This was our first international bus ride in this Euro trip. Three hours in bus and we were in another country. The beauty of Europe. We were having a stopover at Faro for one night. This is our first city in Portugal. In the middle of the far south coast of Portugal stands in the magnificent city of Faro, the capital of the Algarve region. Interestingly, the city is often the starting point for exploring the region and reaching the various seaside resorts on the Atlantic coast. The city has a very rich culture and it has a historical architectural heritage. Its citadel and the astonishing Nossa Senhora do Carmo church are the highlights. In addition to its monuments, the Portuguese city enjoys exceptional and sunny climate throughout the year. For Portuguese fun, nothing better than visiting Faro and staying there for a while. Okay, I do sound like a door-to-door salesperson, but it's true. Because we have done the same. In fact, we liked Faro so much that one extra night stay would not hurt us. But we have to leave after one night, unfortunately. Anyway, the Faro was phenomenal and very highly recommended. Let's take a look at some wonderful photos of Faro. Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you in Lagos.